Let me show you the namespace available over the admin cluster. These two namespaces are for user clusters, and this is the namespace for Anthos uh, admin cluster, and main configuration ports are available under the cube system. Let me show you the ports running under the user cluster 1. These are the n number of ports which are running under the user cluster 1 NS. Right now I'm going to present you every information which is available under the admin node, under all the namespaces. Sorry, get all -a all the namespaces. This will show you the details that these are the ports available under the cube system namespace over the admin cluster. These are over the user cluster 1 name under the user cluster 1 namespace over the admin cluster. These are the services which running over the admin cluster, and these are the deployment sets which running over the admin cluster. These are the deployments which running over the admin cluster, and these are the replica sets which running over the admin cluster. Now guys, I want to show you all the details over the user cluster also. I replace the admin cluster kubeconfig file with user cluster kubeconfig file. Now it will show you all the details over the user cluster. These are the n number of ports which running over the user cluster. And these are the services which running over the user cluster. Now these are the daemon sets which running over the user cluster, and these are the deployments which running over the user cluster. These are the replica sets which running over the user cluster. Now I want to show you the node details under the user cluster. If you want to check the nodes over the user cluster, then you have to call the users cluster kubeconfig file. These are the 3 nodes which running under the user cluster.